Welcome to Never a Dull Moment. I'm Greg Blythe, and today is an exciting episode because today we have a new toy. This comes from Hide Master, and I am not going to say his name right because I don't know that I can, and I definitely can ask my wife. It says Amida Dubé. It is Indian. I'm going to let my wife, let all of you guys check out the name. Amida, and I actually don't know that they have that right. I'll definitely put the correct spelling up on the screen for you in post-production. But we have become friends on Facebook and Instagram. Anyway, this guy makes leather products, and he reached out and was like, can we make something for your show? And I'm like, yeah, hello, like that's nice. So he asked for a copy of the logo, and from my understanding, the logo is on this new toy. And so this particular company, Hide Master, I'll go ahead and tell you, is I had seen it available on Tokashu Knife. I saw it available with Tara on Perfect Edge Cutlery, and he's starting to blow up and just be everywhere. So it was really nice when we had a conversation. I reached out to Tara just to kind of vet the company, and she was like, yes, 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 and yes. So here we are.
With not a nice knife.
Not a nice knife. This is one of those like...
Came in a block and I use it to cut.
Remember, because we said like to knife block or not knife block. Well, it's just one of those old knives that we use, and it's a serrated edge. So for those of you who are like, you need to sharpen your knife, I don't want to use my good knives on this. So let's go ahead. You can see the logo of the company underneath here if I leave it intact. So there is Hide Master.
Yeah.
So definitely super excited. Make sure we don't cut the thing that was sent to us. So packaged nicely. I definitely got to point out the protection that was put in there to send it to us.
I wonder what it is.
All right. So it's kind of exciting. I mean, we normally do.
It's like Christmas, but it's
but it is Christmas.
Yeah.
It literally is. Wrapped, you know. So we've been using this Amazon, like inexpensive $30, and it's been great. I mean, honestly, I'm not gonna badmouth it. This is leather. Oh, here we go. Oh, it says Hide Master. Right in there. Oh!
Big reveal, man.
That is really nice. Never a dull moment.
The lighting, baby.
Okay.
Yeah. Nice. All right, hold it up. Let's unroll
All right, yeah. What's funny is, I mean, with it actually being leather, is like this is going to provide a lot of protection from any type of accidents that you might have when dealing with sharp objects. So, I guess we are officially kind of making this a work thing or a guest apron. Guest apron. So we are retiring it somewhat for the transition to apron of Never a Dull Moment. Wow. All right, we'll have to figure out which loop we're going to be. It's very adjustable, I can say. I like mine a little bit on the higher side. So we will just pick one.
There's lots of holes.
Yeah, there's a lot of room for adjustment. We'll pick one for this episode, and then we'll play with it. So we have this buckle. It's got that new leather smell too. It's got that like new shoes. Really cool. I don't know if I can get my head on that.
Your glasses.
I said I like it hot. I don't know. Is it okay?
It might be a little high.
It might be a little high, but for
Where's
this
it gonna
episode,
tie? Where's it gonna attach?
oh, it's going to be way up there.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's
Okay, well, you guys will still get the gist of it for the show. So we have this going on. I just realized that my microphone is over there. So if you guys are hearing funky sounds right now, it's because my microphone is still on the old apron.
it's like
So you're like, hey, Greg, we can't hear you. Okay, so, wow. This is going to go over here to its new home. I'm glad I lost some weight. And I don't, I'll have to,
there's one right there.
okay.
Yeah, you have this, you had it.
I got it.
Well, there you go.
There's skills to pay the bills. It's all that practicing in high school, I guess. My wife that's what she's married to.
Yeah.
Wow, so this thing is sturdy. It's definitely, you guys can see how long it is. I mean, it really goes down to protect the lower extremity. Whew. All right, so boom and boom. Never a dull moment. Hopefully this was not a dull moment. Appreciate you being part of the reveal. We appreciate Hidemaster for doing what they do. Excellent product. I think it's flattering to my skin tone, actually. The logo came out amazing.
Yeah, looks good.
So if you'd like to check out some of these products, I'm sure you can reach out to them. I know through Instagram. I'll definitely have links above, and I will put a link in the description. You can check out their stuff on not only Instagram, but Facebook. If they have a website, we'll put that link. I know that they have knife rolls as well as these types of aprons and other leather goods available through Tokushu Knife and through Perfect Edge Cutlery. If there are any other companies that I see when I'm doing my research to put in there, I'll put the links in the description and make that available to you. I'd like to thank that entire Hidemaster company. I saw them celebrating the holidays. Happy holidays to you. And happy holidays to you guys. Thank you for watching the show as we've just crossed I think we're at like 2,700 subscribers, and it's rapidly happening. We keep hoping to not bring boring information. We have some things excited coming up. You've already seen some previews of some stuff. We've got a lot of new sharpening videos, ideas. So we're excited to bring that to you. And whether you noticed it or not, my son just kicked the light. So these are the types of things that happen in our studio. We've got a little behind the scenes being shot. Appreciate you always. God bless. Hopefully, like I said, this was not a dull moment. We will see you Friday nights at 8 o'clock.